Sunod na May, early entry. Napuslan ang pila-pila online. Napinas pasay. Siyempre, mamayong gihapon ta guys. Kay grabe kainit. At least diba ang weather is sunny. Oh, it doesn't matter if we sweat, and sweat. Basta hindi siya rainy. Oh, nakakasila picture. Ay, okay lang. Ano man, problem.
Ano, picture ko sa castle.
Saan castle na? Disneyland Fire Department, Disneyland City Hall, the station, main station, Duffy and Friends. Ah, cute. Si Mickey Mouse akong nailhan. Daki. Ay, katong mini hat, no? Ato dapit man. Search na.
Hi guys, I'm in Disneyland Hong Kong.
Babalik ko diri guys with my with the family. Pero amo di ba may Disney children? Ganit ba? Si Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, oh. Pero di ba Disney man gyapon ng Tom and Jerry? Ay, sili guys. Ay, Cartoon Network din. Di ba? Di ba lumaki ako more on anime. But I'm still here. I am here. It's the castle. Dili pa may mag-atang sa fireworks? Adventureland. Mga nakama nag-i-enjoy na. Okay, payong-payong muna ako ngayon. Payong-payong. Okay na mo guys. Ako lang sa mamayong. They are enjoying. They're definitely in. Ay, kana dihan na po ta mapa-picture oh.
Okay, yan na sa isa sa GC.
Musakay na ta diha. Winnie Pooh. Souvenir. Carousel eh. Nako mga kaoban oh. First ride na mo kay Carousel. Chill sa daw. Start na! Nalipong na ka!
姑娘旋轉木馬快就會停落嚟。喺旋轉木馬未完全停定之前，請大家記好，捉緊木馬或扶手。
Uy, medyo nadizin ako kamay. Ano nadizin ako? Inay naman to, toyok sa carousel. Nalipong na ko. Nalipong ako kamay. Ang damay na eh. Ay, another ride na naman. Tuyok-tuyok. Oy! If madizi daw ako guys, tiyong na lang daw kuno ko. How are you there? Dili na ako madizi. Or, dili ko sige, ano, kanta ko ulo. Dili ko sige, liyok-liyok sa akong ulo. Nag-stop na guys. Oh! Okay. We are now here in World of Frozen. We're finally inside. Aircon!
Into the unknown, I'm going to into
the unknown na guys. Ito daw may manginom. Hindi pa. Snowman! Wala akong namo. Picture mo. Puro kong mag-spinal cord. Grabe kayo, habit na whatever.
Ay, kung talagaan nila.
Vehicular accident. Are we go?
Are we go?
Go, 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 go.
I'll be out in a minute. Oh, lovely purchase. Look at this.
Gusto mo sa likod? Pinaka-likod?
No.
Pinaka-front?
No.
It should be ano daw, good health to ride. Nahumanami sa riding sleigh to ma'am, no? Ay, sliding sleigh. Pwede na kita mag-video. Dito siya, oh, nagitaas pa na mamong kamot. Nung tayo nag-capture na sila ba? Murag, wala, no, nag-capture. Picture lang tayo na mamong itsura. Ay, naku. Woody! Woody! Nakita may glance na mo. $4D, $5D. All protection. Limpyo ba daw ni limpyo? Muna mong suoton nga goggles. Tanay yung inara-nara itong sakyan. May exit appeal.
Wait, what? Hydra wants my arc reactor? Get out of there, Jarvis. I'm on my way.
Okay, done.
And ako ride with Iron Man.
Next ride, hyperspace. Saan mo na hyperspace? Tatlo na lang kami guys. Kinadizzy ang isa sa amo Nagnosia na siya, nagnosia. So, how is it? Hyperspace Mountain?
Wow.
Oh my God. Pagliko sa right, halos sa man right, ay left. Pagliko tayo sa ay halos sa right, pagliko sa left na, correct na ko. Pero, very worth it! Oh my gosh, mga 2-minute ride siya.
My goodness.
2 minutes. Oh, lala, di pwede malipong. Di pwede malipong. Ay. We will be riding that later. May! Wala ko madali, May! Pagkakurog-kurog, yapon ako! Ako, hands! Eh, ikaw bang pag-reverse? Kaya bulo, buti mabuyan ako akong cellphone. Grabe, grabe yung panggunit sa cellphone, oy! How is it? We survived.
Shit.
Very nice! Carla. Uy, kapanghurog yapon ko. Ala. Tugaya, oy. Nan! Ito akong binuhulat. This is how it started. The Grizzly Mountain Char-Char. Man-made lugar ni. Tell me if it's of course this is man-made. This is Disneyland. Maze daw ni maze. Nag-det daw mo din sa maze. Ay, ba nagday diri? Balik. So, aerial gani Tong Serena.
For the most magical party to be, you must spend it with friends and family. Family!
Thank you for visiting. Shishig kaga. Ano na? Street food? This one. Huh? Batig na. Tukbuki. Hindi na po yung tao ng tukbuki. Ito, ano, tubig na water. Do not eat. Ay, ito ni. Do not eat. Kapit sa sauce. Ay, forecast. Oh, I will eat you. Ito pa water. Add na water to feel like inside the cup. Feel ka na? Kamay na dahil. Sama na yung pinduton. Okay. Oo, ganyan. So, off. Microwave. Char na. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Ay! Hindi mag-close. Mag-close ka. Eating Korean food in Hong Kong. Oh, ganing lamian kong tukbuki. Ano man ni siya? Rice cake. Oh, we're on top floor. So daw. That person told me that the song is for us. I mean, pero na siya spicy. They're playing an English music because so we can understand. What's your name? What's your English name? Joseon Dynasty. Just I'll finish my food. Oh, mine. Ina ka?
Is your sisters?
My friends.
Oh, friends are always being phone. Oh my god.
What did you talk to them too? You talk to them
Of
too.
course, I want to talk to them, but they are so being phone.
You know that they can understand you, right?
Where are you living?
Living here?
Yeah.
We're staying at Hata.
Where?
Secret. I won't tell you. We won't tell you.
Really?
Mm.
Yeah.
There's grab.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm.
And then the people told me like they will pickpocket.
Yes.
Like that. Yeah. But I didn't think so.
Ah, you did experience.
No.
Lucky. But here it's not. There's no pickpocketing.
No more here. So we feel like just
Safe,
right
safe.
here. Yeah.
And I haven't seen any beggars in the street.
No. No more.
Even in the central.
You been Central?
Much more in central.
Yeah.
Really like the convenience of the MTR.
Yeah.
Really like it.
No.
Hopefully, Philippines will be like that in the future, like near future. But right now, it's still within Manila and nearby provinces in the near Manila. We still don't have that in other parts of the Philippines. Like, have you been to Cebu? It's a popular tourist spot too. Cebu.
I have been with the Cebu Pacific
Airline.
Yeah.
It's so funny.
What?
Just nearby. Yeah. Oh, sorry. What?
Even me right now, I'm a chef, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then I have one ate.
Where? At
I
work?
have one ate at work.
Ano ko nila? Wait.
So how is your visit in Hong Kong? Really good?
Yeah, satisfying. We just
Really?
came back from Disneyland.
Oh.
Our whole itinerary for the day is only Disneyland, so kind of tiring, but worth it.
Bluetooth mode.
So you've been to the Ocean Park?
No, not yet.
Where's your park?
Tomorrow we'll just roam around somewhere in the central. Nothing really planned out.
So when you go back to the Philippines?
When? It's Friday.
Friday?
We're still going to Macau.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Wow, that's good.
That's our last day. Then from Macau, that's our exit. Going back to
You
Philippines.
go to Macau, there's some coins. You're gonna win.
I don't think I'm not that lucky in gambling.
No. You cannot say that.
Why? It's not, is it taboo? Really? I don't think we can do that. We'll just roam around the sightseeing. That's what we plan to do. Anyways, my friends, we want to go home now. So, yeah, we still have a good another day tomorrow. So I think we have to rest early. I can't be here alone. Anyways, we gotta go. Bye bye. Thanks talking to you. Hello. I'm Jan. Okay. Bye bye. Okay. Got to talk to someone.